Okay, so this is 17 floors. Okay, 17 floors designed with Tekla structural designer. So you can see the base. Let's see the base. You see the foundation. Okay, so this is the base, and these are all the pile cap for the base. Okay, so now you can see the first floor. Okay, all the floors are symmetrical. So up to the last floor. Okay, everything is the same. Okay, and we also have a lift here. So let's check this quickly. Let's you can preview the floor quickly. Though this is the last floor where we have the lift. Okay, so let's look at the building all together. So these are all the piles, just like you've seen. Then the green color there is for just for you to know that the pile is okay. The pile has passed. Okay, and you can also do that for the entire design for the entire structure. So here, if I click on status, I can see for my slab, you can see all the slab have passed. That's why they are color in green. Then let me see the entire status for the whole building. Okay, so you see all of this is good except I have some beams here that have issues. Okay, so I wouldn't be paying more attention to this now. Okay, so but this is it. So this is the lift. This is the shear wall for the lift. Okay, it's a core wall and the rest of other thing. Okay, so Tekla is it's another wonderful software. Okay, for structural design. Okay, it's one of the wonderful softwares too. All right, so what we are going to check now quickly is let's see how we can do the detailing. Okay, let's see how we can do the detailing. But before the detailing, you can generate the report. Okay, you can check the model report. You can generate all the report for the entire floor. You can generate the report for the reinforced concrete here. So, but I'm not looking at that now. What I want to look at now is I would just want to draw. I want to detail it. Okay. So if you want to detail this design as it is now, go to you come to draw. Okay, and you come to drawing management. All right. So first, what am I looking for? I need the general arrangement. So I leave it at this. I click on add. Then click on content. General arrangement for what? I need general arrangement for everything from the base to all the frames. Okay. So you just click on this and you drag it over here. Oh no, that's not it. Let's drag everything. Okay, that's it. Then the same thing with the frames. We need to see all the frames here. So that's that. So when you're done that, you click on OK and you go to view drawings. You can control the scale here. Okay. Then OK. So let's see. It's gonna load it with your AutoCAD application quickly. Just a few minutes. Okay. So this is where we are. Arrangement is currently in use. Okay. Go ahead. All right. So let's look at this one after the other. So this is below the base. Okay, this is below the base because my lift is below the base. Okay, it's a little below the base. Okay, they are not the same level with the base. So this is the base. You can see the column sizes here. And you can also see the dimension for the shear wall. The thickness is 250, and each of this bay is 2,500 mm. Okay, so you can quickly look at that. Then my slab, you can see the slab thickness there. Okay, and then the beam too, the same thing. You can see the beam sizes and the beam description, everything. So for each of the floors, so you can check on this. This is for the base. Okay, this is for story one, 3.2. You can see the height there. Okay, so same thing all together, all through the entire floor. Okay, because everything was symmetrical. And don't forget, I also, I picked the level, so you can also see the level here. So first we look at frame four. If you look at frame four, you can see from the base to story one. Okay, you can see all the details you need to see there. Okay, so first this is the column description and this is the column size. All right, then same thing happens to the beam. You can see this telling you, okay, this is the beam for this level. All right, then W is for the wall. So this is for frame 4. We go again to frame 5. Okay, so just taking uh, different grid lines and detailing. All right, so this is it. This is cool with Tekla. So let's quickly look at other detailing too from the same Tekla again. I go back this time around. I'm gonna be looking at. I don't want to look at foundation reaction now because I don't need it now. So let's look at concrete beam detail. Okay. Then concrete beam detail. You click on art. You click on content. I want to see the detail for just one floor. Okay, just this. Since they are the same thing, so no need bringing everything. So let me just see for this alone. Okay. Okay, then view drawing. You can control the scale. I will leave it at default. Let's see what happens. Okay. I only pick one beam. Oh, serious? Okay, but this is it. I think I'm gonna do this again. Let me do this again. Let me do that again. Go back. Go to concrete beam detail art. Now take this off. Remove this. Hard again. Content. Bring everything here. Let's see. View drawings. I need to close this. Okay, and let's go back. So let's look at the beam detail. Okay, let's quickly look at the beam detail. Few minutes. Okay. Wow, here comes the beam detail. Okay, so you still have a lot of work to do to arrange them in your title block. Okay, so but let's just look at it briefly. Okay, you can see the beam size, you can see the width, you can see the size of the foundation. Sorry, the size of the column. You can see that there, and you can also see all the reinforcement detail for each of them. You can also see the one for the links, for the shear links. Okay, so you can see that. Then here we have all the sections. Okay, so that's it for each of the floors. You can see them all together. Then it also gives you the bar bending schedule. It gives you the bar bending schedule, but it doesn't, it doesn't draw it for you. Okay, it only gives you the length and gives you the total mass. Okay, so but it doesn't draw the bar for you. That's let me say that's just one of the disadvantage here. Okay, so but these are all the information about this. So all the beams that were within this category is being grouped here. So everything you see here is within this category. Okay. All right. So let's go back quickly and let's do other ones. Let's see. So this time around, I'm going to be looking at concrete column details. Okay. Let's try that. Pick everything here. Okay. And there's view drawings. Okay. Beautiful. So these are the columns. Okay. You don't need plenty columns because they are the same. The detailing probably are the same, so no need for too many details. Okay, so 16H25 you can see for this column. Don't forget this is 11 floors. Okay, 15H this. Okay, and this is for the links. Okay, this is for the links. While this is for the longitudinal reinforcement, this is for the transverse reinforcement, and that is for your links. Okay, so that's it. So this is the cross section for it, and you could see the bar informations there. So that's how unique Tekla is. And then you also have the steel quantity, total length, and the total mass. Okay, multiplying by the unit weight. You can see the unit weight of each of the steel diameter. You can see the total length, and if you multiply this by this, you're gonna have this. So this is in kilograms. Okay. If you want to change this to tons, you just do some division depending on the unit you're taking it to. Okay. So that's it. That's how beautiful that is. So we still go back again. Let's check for a foundation. So give me let's check. Give me foundation layout. Okay. Let's check foundation layout. Add content. Everything come here. No, everything. Everything come here. Sorry, I'm just being too fast. Okay. I don't want the video to be too long because we are not doing designs. We're only viewing what we have already. Okay. All right. So like I said, this is below, and then this is the main layout. This is the main layout for the foundation. You can see all of it. You can see the pile caps and the pile. Okay. You can see, so you can actually control all of this. All right. So each of the dimension for each pile is being written here. So you still have a lot of work to do because on your own you're gonna sit down to arrange your detailing the way you want them. Okay. So for each of these, you can also see the reinforcement requirements. Okay, you can see that here for each of those pile caps. So you can see them here. You can see all of them here. Okay, so the diameter used here is Y25. Okay, and you can see the spacing. So when you look this way, you can also see the footing schedule. It's gonna make it easy for you. Okay, gonna make it very easy for you to prepare your bar bending schedule. Okay. All right, so that's it. And then you come to, let's see what we have here. Okay, this is foundation layout. So it's going to lay out all the floors for you. Okay, all the floors is going to be laid out this way for you. So this is the layout for all the floors, for all the levels. Okay, story 3, 3.9.6 meters. This is the layout. Just this is how it is. Okay, so this is all you need to know about Tekla. Okay, then at the end of the day, you still have your steel bar quantities here. All right. Okay, so let's still go back again. Let's see if we can do one more thing. What can I do now? Okay, let's check the slab and mat layout. Let's see the way the software details is. Okay, let's say this. I need everything. Okay. All right, so we are here. Let's see what we have. This is for, okay. My system is hanging. All right. So, okay, this is this. So let's look at the various level. Minus 3.2. Okay. Let's check other ones. What's wrong? Sorry, my system is having some issues. Okay, let's look at this quickly. Okay, this is for story one, okay? So let's see what we have. So if you check critically, you can see the detailing. So first, you can actually off some of the layers if you don't want. You can off this if you don't want to see this. Okay, so you can shut them down so it doesn't uh, conflict with the main information you're looking for. So let me see if I can shut that down with my layer. I don't need column to beam line. No, I need that. Let's check column label. I don't need it. I don't need anything about this column. Beam mark. I don't need it. Then maybe shut down some of these things. Let's see. Okay. Ah, no, 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 no. I didn't do a good job there. Come back. Come back. Let's check what this is. This is concrete column mark. Okay. So let's quickly concrete column mark. I don't need that. Concrete beam mark. Should be looking for something similar. Let's check first. Okay, that's gone. Then what again do I need here? I don't want to be seeing this. So let's see. Let's see the name. The name is Slab and Mat Text. Okay. So I don't want to be seeing Slab and Mat Text. Let's see. I don't want to be seeing this. Okay. Shut that down. Beautiful. So now you can see the reinforcement. It doesn't detail the way you're expecting, but it also details for you. So if you can understand this, it's very simple. So you can see your detail for your bottom, for your bottom reinforcement. Bottom one is here. You can see the bottom one, you can see the bottom two, you can see the top one, and you can also see the top two. So this is very simple, okay? So the bottom one is telling you that okay, this is the reinforcement for the edge, the negative reinforcement for the edge. Then you also have the same thing for your bottom two, okay? So these are your XY for the bottom bars, okay? Your XY for the bottom bars, while the top are your XY for your H bar, just for the negative moment, okay? So that's it. This is how it details slabs for you. It doesn't do a complete comprehensive detail the way you're expecting, all right? And okay, so I think that's that for that. Then if you look through here, you're also gonna see something here. Now you see A giving you 398. If you look at this now, you have 398 for B1. 398 here simply means this is the area of steel, okay? So this is the area of steel. So you have to use this area of steel for both your X and your Y. That's what it simply means, okay? While your top bars have been provided here, okay? So that's how Tekla does this detailing for you. All right, so I think that's all about Tekla. So you can also preview other floors, okay? You can also see them. It's simple, and it needs a little bit of technicality so you can be able to understand the detailing. Okay. But if you know how to design, you know how to do detailing, it's simple. You can always understand something. Okay. All right. So that's that. So should we look at another thing here? What else do I have to look out for? I don't think there's anything much to look at. So we can shut down that. Okay. So you can also toggle between your structural mode, result view mode, okay, and a lot of other modes here. So you can just play around this. So I'm not doing a comprehensive design with Tekla. I'm just showing you few things about Tekla, okay, and how it works, okay. So maybe in our next class we're gonna look at how to do a comprehensive design with Tekla and how to use all the tools here, okay. All right, see you guys in our next class.